Ape crew out there. Truck that we snatched that 5.3 and that transmission out of, this motor right here and that transmission. We getting ready to take it out here to the scrap yard, get rid of it. And when I get back, I might make it a late night trying to get this transmission in the other truck. But I'm gonna check y'all in on these quesos while we get up the road and see if we can make something happen. We to make it, them Burley trucks rolling in. Hey man, old school Mr. Will getting it in. We done made it down to the truck. Look like he done did a little bit of stripping himself. So I'm about to get this mug pushed back and we're gonna try to get it on the trailer for the tornado hit. Ape crew members, we got the truck loaded up. I don't know what he's gonna do about getting that off, but I'm getting ready to go over here and check. I'm gonna check y'all into them quesos. We're gonna get up here. This road is looking like 235. Hopefully we get there a decent time and we can beat this tornado. It's actually raining right now as I speak. But we're gonna try to do what we can do and get up this road. See if we can make something happen. Diesel 8, we out. down here with the car, you know the deal with the tire. Waiting on my buddy to pull up. Once he pull up, we're gonna get back up this road and get to the house and figure out the next projects. But right now, as far as it go, you know, probably found a new junkyard where we're gonna be taking cars to. My main goal is to save all the oldies. So anything new like this, they got a 5.3 in it, LS in it, anything in it that's running, I plan on taking it out, putting in G bodies, big bodies, everything old. But that's the mission, that's the plan and the goal for this channel to grow. Like, share, subscribe if you can, and Diesel Lake, we out. We out here junking some stuff, and we making some discoveries, man. Look at the Impala. Y'all see it? That's the original bird, right? I mean, the top blew off the other one. I wonder what the deal is with them. See it? Just gotta be brought back to life. That's it. Shit. Just gotta be brought back to life. Man. I see the potential. I see all the potential, man. I have to go up here and holler at them in this office and see what they talking about, man. See if we can make something happen. I don't know who's gonna be watching, but this is where he put the gas in the car. That's not original. Got a mean machine right here, man. This is a nice car, dude.